Okay, so this is a simple recording just to show you how to get some files up onto your server. So in chapter 1 of Pullman's Writing Online, he invites you to create a landing page, and the instructions say first to go to his landing page here at digitalreader.com, view the source code, copy and paste all of that into a text editor, and then modify it. So I did that. I created centered screen.html on my desk and saved it to my desktop, and I went in and changed the picture to a picture that I have on my server, changed my favicons, wrote new text, whatever, right? And then I saved that file, and that file is right now here on my desktop, and now I want it to be online so other people can see it. This is my sample landing page loaded not from online, but in the browser on my desktop, right? So you can see that it's just a file on my desktop, centered screen.html. So now to get that on my server, in the other tab here, I have gone to my cPanel, right? So I've gone to emerydomains.org. I've already logged in. And this is my cPanel screen that it should look just like yours, basically. And what I want to do is go to here to the file manager. I'm going to launch the file manager, and it'll bring me to a list of all the files. Yours should look pretty similar to this, although you'll have maybe fewer folders over here than I do. But I think what we'll do for now is we'll create a folder called code, which you can put. Let's put it in the subdomain that you've already created for the class. So here is ENG221S17, which is the subdomain for the course website. I'm just going to go to that folder, and so that's my active folder here. And the first thing I'm going to do is choose to create a new folder. I'm just going to call it code, and I'll create that folder. And now I'll navigate, double click to go into the folder. Right, currently there are no files at all in the folder. I'm going to upload a file, and then I'm just going to take this centered screen file that I created on my desktop. I'm going to load it. There it is. It's completed, so I'm going to go back to my folder. And now the code is there, and I can view it here inside File Manager if I'd like, although it looks weird. And then to test this, I'm going to open another tab, and I'm going to go to the class website, eng221s17.davidmorgan.org, and I'm just going to manually add the folder code. And here, this is what it looks like when you go to a folder that is not protected and it does not have an index page, right? And so it's just a list of files, right? You can go up to the parent directory. Here's centered screen.html. I can select that, and there's my page that is on the server in my code folder. It's the same as the page that was on my desktop. That's really all there is to it.